we are going to see integers. What are integers? A set of whole numbers along with negative numbers. What are whole numbers? These are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Means smallest whole number is 0, but we don't know the greatest whole number. And if we add negative numbers like -1, -2, -3 and so on to it, then we get a set of integers. Here these numbers goes on increasing like this: -3 greater than -4, -2 greater than -3, -1 greater than -2, 0 greater than -1 and so on. Let us put sign like this: greater than or less than, -5, 5, 0, -2, 2, -8, 0, 5. We have to put this greater than or less than sign. -5 and 5. We know any negative number is less than positive, so we'll put sign like this here. Here 0 is greater than any negative number, so we will put sign like this. This is +2 and -8. Positive is greater than any negative number, so 2 is greater than -8. Here is 0 and 5. 5 is positive, any positive number is greater than 0, so we will put sign like this. In this we have seen greater than or less than. Now we are going to add. Suppose we are given to add -2 and -3. This is -2 plus minus, we will get -3. Now we have both negative numbers, we will add them 5 and put negative sign here. Suppose this is the first example. Another example, we have to add -2 and 3, that is +3. This is positive, this is negative. We will subtract and put the sign of greater number, that is, it will become +1. Again we have to add 2 and -3. 2 plus minus, it will become -3. Now we will, one is positive, another is negative. We will subtract and put the number of the greater number with greater numerical value, that is 3. 3 has negative sign, so it will become -1. Now again we have to add 2 and 3. It is very simple, both positive, we will add them 5. We can put plus sign or we will not put it. In this way we have seen addition of integers. Now we are going to see how we will subtract integers. Suppose we have to subtract -3 from 5. Means we will write here 5 minus -3. Since we have to subtract -3 from 5, we will put 5 minus -3. Now minus minus plus. Now both are plus, we will get +8. Our answer is this. If we have to subtract 8 from -9, we will write it like this: -9, we will put minus sign here, then we will write this number 8. Here we see that both are negative, so we will add them and put the minus sign, that is, it will become -17, as we have done in addition. That is addition. Now we have to write the absolute value. What is the meaning of absolute value? Absolute value means the numerical value of integer. Suppose, and the sign of the absolute value is this. Suppose we have to find the absolute value of -3, we will write it like this. We have to find the absolute value of 5, we will put it like this. We have to find the absolute value of -10, we will write like this. Now the absolute value of -3 will be 3. Absolute value of 5 is 5. Absolute value of -10 is 10. I think it is clear. Now we are going to see, if it is given like this, we have to fill -28 plus what is equal to 0. Means this is -28. Then we will add +28. It will become 0. since plus minus both will cancel each other. If it is written minus 28 plus what is equal to minus 28, then we will add 0 here. 0 added to any number is equal to same number. If it is given minus 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 5 is equal to plus minus 5 plus minus 3, we can see here on both sides we have minus 5, minus 3, minus 2 is missing, so minus 2 will be written here. In this way we see we can write the missing number. Now if it is given to find the additive inverse of 65, minus 3, minus 15, 22, then additive inverse 0. Additive inverse means number with same numerical value but opposite sign. Here 65, its additive inverse will be minus 65. This is minus 3, its additive inverse will be plus 3. This is minus 15, its additive inverse will be plus 15. 22, it will become minus 22. 0 has no sign, we can put right here 0. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. Now if it is given that sum of two integers is minus 50, one is 60, find the other. Here sum of two integers is minus 50, one integer is equal to 60, therefore other will be sum minus this, means minus 50 minus this 60. Now both are negative, we will put sign minus here and add, we will get minus 110. In this way we can find, if it is given sum of two integers is this and we have one number is this, find the other, we will solve like this. In this way we have seen some properties of integer, that is how we can add them, what is their additive inverse, which number is greater in case of integers, and so on.